Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website for Wix ADI. So let's get started. So in order to do that, we need to create a new site. So this because Wix ADI is actually a tool that can help you create a site. So click just this, which is to create the new site. And then this will open a new window where it will actually help us with AI. So for this, just choose setup without AI. And then from in there, just put in what type of website you're actually wanting to create. So for this one, let's just put in travel blog. Then after that, click on continue. And then from in there, it will prepare your dashboard. So from in here, you can see that it will redirect us to the manage.wix.com. So for this one right here, we need to edit our site. So click on design site right here. Then this will open this one right here, wherein we have the option to let Wix create a site for you, or you can get a customized design template. So for this one, I just need to click on this customize design template. So click on pick a template right here. So this will actually integrate ADI using this option. So you can just choose what type of travel blog you want to use. So for me, I'll just choose this one right here. So after that, click on edit right here. And then this will allow you to edit the template. So it will open the Wix website editor in here. So ADI is already integrated with Wix Edge Site Editor. So in here, you can see that the Wix website editor has been opened. And in here, you can actually let AI write your site content. So in here, you can add some details to your site. So you can just put in something like travel blog for all the places I've been in. So just select the type of site, which is for me a travel blog, and the name of my site in here. So let's put in Tiara Travels. And click on generate site text. And once we have done that, it will create the site for our text, wherein we don't need to customize anything anymore, since this will rename the site to what our site is named into. So you can also utilize these tools right here to design your site. So let's just try to zoom this in. So as you can see right here, I have this TR Travels, so it already named this thing for me. And then this is a travel blog for all the places I have been in, which is what I have put it earlier on the AI. So let me just zoom out again. And then from in here, you can also edit it out if you don't like any elements in here. So for example, you can click on a side of the site. So for example, let's choose this quick edit right here from the heading. So click on quick edit. And in here, he should be able to see things wherein he can set links for this one. Can also manage the menu. So for this, let's try to manage the menu. So you have the home, the about, the travel, the eat, relax, and the videos. So let's put in here my experiences. So you can add something like that. Just click on add page. And then in here, you can choose to add a black page, or you can also put in a template already created. So for in this, I will just choose a blank page. Then once I have chosen that, it will actually apply in here. As you can see, this is the new page right here. So let's name it experiences. And click on done right here to finish the naming process. And then from in there, you should be able to start designing this section. So you can add elements if you want in this, change the background and everything. So once you have done that, as you can see, this is our new travel site that we have created with Wix ADI. If you head over to the whole page, you should be able to see everything from in there. You can edit out anything that is actually not suitable for you. You can edit out things that you don't want. You can add two things using this tools right here. So you can add elements, add section, pages, and menu you have in here. So you have the site menu, which is the about that we have actually told you earlier. And the blog pages, you have here the blog and the post. So in here, you can also change the colors, the site theme. Can change in here this, which is the Wix App Market, wherein you can integrate applications to your website. And then in here, you can also add everything that you have, like marketing, SEO, and all of that. So once you're done with everything, you can just head over and publish your site. And then once you have clicked on that publish button, you should be able to see this window right here. And then from in there, click on view site. And then you should be able to see what your site will look like. So you have in here your site thing, your tagline, and all the things right here. So once you're done everything should be able to see it on your site. So I don't put any more edits on mine since it's just an example. But if you have yours, then you should edit it out however you want it to be. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create a site using Wix Website ADI editor. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.